Hello, I am Adam and I want to have a commentary on what I'm thinking when I'm drawing these bodies. Today, see here, I'm drawing a very manly figure. To draw a manly figure, you just first need to draw a manly fucking figure. Oh my god, what the fuck is this tutorial, bro? But in reality, all you need to do is very much look up what the fuck. Okay, I do not know how to do a commentary. I am just going to write. Oh no, I'm just going to speak and rant about what I've been doing with this art. So you see, I just wanted to learn how to draw the bodies. And now I will talk for 11 minutes straight on how what are the process on how I make this body. So now I'm going to draw the hands, which are basically one circle in two cylinder. The one, what the fuck, man? What the fuck? So now, but we have the torso. We just connect it with the one cylinder, and there's supposed to be another cylinder, but I'm very lazy, and it is very small. This is me drawing the torso, and to draw the torso, you must first have two cylinder, one circle. What the fuck? Yeah. And one foot. The foot is very much shaped like a pear, and the pear is very black. Yeah. To continue, we must first draw the hands, which are basically two cylinder, one circle, and circle again. So you have perspective. Very proud, very proud, very proud. We must draw in an angle now. When I draw the neck, I just put a cylinder in the square. Yeah. And, and for the shoulder, I just put two circle in the side. Yes, I did. We put for the legs. We put that and we put circle and then we go for the cylinder. So this is basically a man doing push-up, but it turned out to a man doing parkour. Yes, sir. Now we draw this. What I'm thinking of this is basically a man doing a handstand or a man just breakdancing. You see how I just bent the square for the body? Yes, sir. The arms are bendable, but not that bendable. So you first need to draw cylinders and squares. That's basically it. I think about this because it's very delicious for the breakdance tutorials. Now I will make a man at the back of the view. I back view. Never mind. He's very much pacing forward and punching. I first thought of punching, but it looks very weird, so I just put him just sitting down. And then he's very sitting down. Yes. I thought of doing this, but I realized that the arm don't bend that way. So I adjusted the arm. After I adjusted the arm, now I can put the forearms into that direction. The legs are simple. Just draw the butt and draw a cylinder and two cylinder, two circle, and then two cylinder. Yes, sir. The fun tutorial in the world. Don't worry, guys. So, what we do now here is we put the ledge where he is sitting on, and adjust him because he is no longer fitting in my world. We add another layer so that we can move around the character. And this I was busy on this because someone go there. So now we have a man. The man
The man is punching. So I adjusted. What the fuck? What 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 is this? Yeah, yeah, yeah. The man is punching, and this is where I draw the perspective. So to first locate the arm, you must first put a cylinder which is way bigger than the circle, and just put another cylinder with yes, the cylinder and the circle again. No, I always start with the circle because it indicates the where your body is going, where it is coming. Here, I draw some perspective. It is basically a man facing forward, but the camera is in the downside, in the down, in the bottom of my heart. Okay, now we draw the legs. The legs again are cylinder in circle in another cylinder. For me, the legs are much bigger than the whole body because they are very tall and very wide. This this is a man punching, so I had to punching. Never mind, this is fucking Spider-Man, bro. The torso is at the bottom and the hands at the top. And his back is climbing. So I just had to adjust the legs. And now it seems like he's climbing. For this part, I yet to throw a man that that what the fuck uh what the fuck is this guy doing? Let us see. Now this is a man that is playing the guitar, but I failed the guitar, so that's why I put the question mark. So now we draw. What the fuck is? I draw Superman. Yes, because he have very big arm. This is very much perspective, and the perspective is up, but the syndrome is down. Yes, sir. So now I am not trying to do something, and this something is, oh yes, I remember, the bicep flex, but it is from the side view. Yes, you just bend the circle. I no, you bend the rectangle, and then you put leg on the side. The leg are bends because the leg are bent because people have different legs. Top one explanation. No need to thank me. And for the arm, we just go for the arms, and they are very much flexing. I forgot to draw the neck here, so I try to draw the neck, and now it's very much beautiful. Yes, beautiful. I tried to draw a man that hmm, that is jumping, but now I saw him that, so I just put the arms on the back and then made him a spear because it's very symmetrical and very cool looking guy. And then I put the torso right there, and the legs, of course, they are in the back because it's a man jumping, and you know a man jumping is very much alive. So after the man, we just draw the the I remember I just redraw my old drawing that that a man is climbing, and now I made it better. I don't know if you can say better, but I made it better for me, and I don't care about your opinion, you fucking late. So now we draw the hand because it's he is climbing, and we draw this hand because the perspective is good. We draw the neck. The neck is very much like a kite, and you just draw the neck as a kite. That includes the back. So now we draw a guy that is riding a motorcycle. Wait, no, wait, no, it's wrong. It's wrong. I don't. Let's just draw a man that is running. Yes. The man that is running at the side, the back is on the hands. Wait, no, the back. The hands are on the back because he's running. No, let us fix the perspective. So that is very much right perspective, and now you do that. We draw the torso here, we put some circle, the long as legs, and then we make it bend so that seems like running. And we do that. Yes, now he's very fast. This, I think this man is wait this man is riding a motorcycle because I failed the first one and now I want to do another one. But I forgot what a motorcycle looks like, so I just um made my own. Oh, oh ma. Ignore the destinies. That is, I am unfamiliar with the motorcycle, so I just draw something that is similar to a motorcycle, and it's very, very. I don't know what the fuck. What the fuck the word? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So now we draw. I don't know, but I'm very much practicing my English. So thank me later and good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We put. Oh, what the fuck is this guy doing? I think this man is punching. No, no, no. He is strangling a little kid, which is Bart Simpson, because he is very much annoying as fuck. And I don't know. It seems like a good candidate, and I feel the perspective here, but I don't care anymore. We put the legs in very cylinder process, so it doesn't seem that the blandness and goodbye. So this is my first video, and I hope you like it. And will you come back? Because I will come back. See you in the next live. Bye bye.